The Reserve Bank of New Zealand has left interest rates unchanged this week, ending a streak of 12 consecutive rises. Let's take you live to our New Zealand Bureau Chief, Jessica Maggio. She is live in Wellington. Jessica, it is a sign, I guess, that inflation's starting to wane.
That's right, Ash. Now, economists had predicted that the official cash rate would hold at 5.5%, and they were right. That's exactly what the Reserve Bank of New Zealand has done. It's the first time that they've held the rate rises since October 2021. As you say, 12 consecutive rate hikes since October 2021, ending that 21-month streak. Now, if you look at this graph here, you'll see that there were quite aggressive hikes. So the most aggressive since the OCR was introduced in 1999. And from July 2022, the past 10 have seen hikes of around 50 basis points or more. So certainly a lot of pressure on the Reserve Bank of New Zealand to try and bring inflation back down to around 1 to 3%. They've said that they don't envisage any more rate rises in the foreseeable future. They do believe that it has peaked. Inflation was at 7.3% in June this year, and it's steadily declined to around 6.7%. Now, what that means is that housing was in correction and New Zealand was forced into a slight recession with those latest GDP figures last month. But what we've seen since is that spending, consumer spending, has tightened. The housing market has stabilised, and also there's been an increase in immigration. So those worker shortages have also eased a little more. So some definite relief now for mortgage holders and for Kiwis across the country. Ash?
Jessica, thank you for the update.